Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the API documentation, which you will find on our support page. To get there, click on the human-shaped icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Support from the drop-down menu. If you aren't logged in, just select the Support tab up here. Select API documentation. This will take you to an external window where you can download the spec file. Below that, you will see an introduction to using the API, including information regarding response codes, parameters, authentication, and the changelog. Beneath all that, you'll find the documentation for specific API calls. For example, creating a cloud. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.